Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick video. I'm going to just clean out my refrigerator, give it a good scrub. It seriously needed to be cleaned out and just cleaned and organized. But I also have a whole bunch of stuff on top of my refrigerator. We do not have a pantry, so to speak, in my kitchen. Our house is very limited with kitchen storage, so I have to kind of work with what we have. I did actually end up pulling out all of the shelves and took all of the compartments out of the refrigerator and really scrubbed them and cleaned them really well, but my camera was not on, so I did not get that footage. It did get done nonetheless, but right now I'm going to go in with some Method Anti-Bac all-purpose cleaner. I'm going to spray everything really well and clean it, and it comes out really clean. There's always Fortnite pieces. That was like a little building block for a Fortnite set Liam has. There's always like Legos and Nerf bullets and Fortnite everywhere. If you have boys, leave a blue heart emoji. We're in this together. I really love raising boys. I don't know about raising girls. I mean, I am a girl. I was a girl. And I think the idea of having little girls is so intimidating because I know how I was. But, oh man, I don't know. There's just something so special about boys. And here we are. Here is the organized refrigerator. It feels so good knowing that it's nice and clean and organized.
You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one.
Right now we are going to do some organization, some food organization. Turn you around. So don't mind this mess. We are building some shelves, or preparing to build some shelves, but it has been so miserable and rainy outside. I don't know if you can tell how gloomy it is outside. But it's been raining for like the past 3 days, and we just haven't had a chance to get all those big things out of our house and do the actual project that we have been needing to do. It is stuck in my dining room for right now. Okay, so I bought these containers. I bought this pack this box set from Walmart, and then I bought some individuals, and hopefully I can get a little more organized so I can not be buying two of everything because I forget that I have it. So maybe this will help me be a little more organized. Plus, I mean, they look pretty, right? Looks pretty in the clear containers.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I throw your stuff away before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find. I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.
Y'all, I was having a full-blown conversation, walking myself through this process, trying to get everything in order. I guess that's what happens when you stay at home all the time with 2 children. Finn is not normally super clingy, but this day he was, and he just wanted me to hold him, the whole time he was awake. On those days, I just have to remind myself that he's a little person and he can't verbally communicate what he needs. So I just have to slow down and try to, pay attention to what he is saying non-verbally and just give him extra love and snuggles. Because he's not always going to be small. I think I learned that with Liam, my oldest son. They're not always going to be small, and you'll never get those moments back. I remember the last time I think I was able to hold Liam. I was walking into Walmart, and he was pretty big, and he was heavy, but there's going to be a last time that you actually hold your kids. And so I know it can be super frustrating, them wanting to be held all the time, but it's for a reason. Maybe they would just want to be close to you, or maybe they miss you, or maybe, I don't know, they had a bad dream. Who knows what the reason could be? All you need to know is that you're mama and they feel comfortable when they're with you. And sometimes you have to get creative.
Talking to each other, I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing, time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you, I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do, let's break away.
Okay guys, that's it for this video. It was super chatty. Hope you didn't mind, and thanks for watching.